This song is Them Bones by Alice in Chains, and I chose this song for its interesting meter. This song is in a 7/4 meter, so we have 7 beats, and each of those beats is worth a quarter note. And sonically, this is really cool because at the end of every measure, it's almost like we're expecting one more beat to happen, and it doesn't happen. So you can kind of visualize this with quarters as in money. You're building your stacks, and instead of rounding each stack to $2, you just build another stack of $1.75. Now, during the chorus of the song, it is in 4/4, and that is 2 measures long. The chorus does sound like this though, so it's really quick. So when you hear that, just know that that is counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The metronome is played at the beginning of this, so that'll set the tempo, and I would advise you to try to count with the song if you could. It's really, really cool. Head in the Ceiling Fan by Title Fight, and I chose this song because of its really cool texture. It has a polyphonic texture, so essentially there are different melodies and harmonies being played at the same time, and it's really cool because the main 2 chords that are being played are E and A, and those 2 chords are played throughout the song. And this song sounds huge. This song sounds really, really big, and just having those 2 lines, it's really, really cool that they were able to achieve how big this song is. The only thing that helps me as a guitar player is the effects that I use, and so the only effects that I use on this song are overdrive, which sounds gritty, the reverb, which kind of allows for space in the room where the amplifier might be set, and compression, which controls the volume overall. So regardless of how soft or hard I played the guitar, the volume can stay around the same decibel level. So this is head in the ceiling fan.